All right, so Tim Kuniskis launched the RAM RHO. There's a few things that they're pushing on numbers and comparisons that I want your opinion on. They are saying that is the most power per liter, more power per liter than the new Demon 170. Now I understand the thought process here, more power per liter, but that doesn't mean it's a more powerful truck. I think it's a little bit of a play on words. I understand where they're going and they're looking to put all that positive spin on it. The other thing they're saying is that the RAM RHO is the most powerful truck per dollar. So from what I can tell, it looks like its starting price, I don't know how accurate this is, this just got released a few hours ago, $71,999 for the RAM RHO. So significantly less than a TRX. If you compare horsepower per dollar, it's the most powerful truck on the market for the money. So the numbers we know we're all looking for. 540 horsepower and 521 foot-pounds of torque is what the new RAM RHO is going to have. Twin turbo, inline 6-cylinder. What are your thoughts? 0 to 60 in 4.6 seconds. So the RAM TRX is still significantly faster, but the RAM RHO, the way I understood it, was supposed to take the place of the RAM TRX. Now the RAM TRX is missing from the lineup, but Tim Kuniskis did hint at maybe the RAM TRX will come back in the future. So what does that mean? Are they just stringing us along? Is there something out there? Do they know? I wouldn't put it past Ram or Dodge to put something else out there in the future. But my understanding was the RHO is the replacement for the TRX. So in the 1500 truck, there is no longer a Hemi motor. You can either get the high output or the standard output, depending on what trim level. The RHO is the new trim. This kind of reminds me a little bit of when the Grand Cherokee had the 5.9 liter in 1998. It was kind of a last hurrah for that big motor. 99 was the change when they went from the ZJ to the WJ. And they also went from the 5.9 to the 4.7 HO. And myself was always like, well, there's no replacement for displacement, right? But the 4.7 liter was probably faster than that 5.9, and nowadays the 5.9 liter would be laughed at 0 to 60 times their actual power. So at the end of the day, none of us like change. I personally am glad that I had snagged a TRX before it's over, but I'm curious where this will go. Will we look at this in 10 years, 20 years, and be laughing at the TRX because it's slow in comparison to this new electric and 6-cylinder or whatever it may be? So what are your thoughts about where RAM is going? Are you a current owner of a TRX? Are you glad that you grabbed a last, final edition? Are you glad that you've got a V8 Hemi TRX? Do you think the RHO will be a direct replacement for the TRX? I'm curious what your thoughts are. The high output 6-cylinder twin turbo has 145 more horsepower and 110 more foot-pound of torque than the Hemi. So, we all want the Hemi, we have to actually look at the numbers too. Again, this RAM RHO, in my personal opinion, I don't think it's gonna, feed the mouths of those people looking for that true TRX. But I guess we'll find out. Guys, this was just a quick video just to update us on what came out this morning with the RAM lineup. I'm curious what your thoughts. Let's hear it. Are you a TRX lover? Are you sad it's gone? And maybe what the future holds for another TRX, we'll find out. Thanks for watching. As always, like and subscribe. Comment below on what your thoughts are. We'll see you in the next video.